OGC is creating the building blocks for the future of sharing location information. Organizations across the globe utilize our APIs to power their applications and solutions. Domains like health, defense, climate, disaster response, and food security. All benefit from location information. OGC APIs are revolutionizing the way maps, 3D models, digital twins, and other data and solutions are being shared. They are interoperable, implementer-friendly, and being developed by hundreds of experts across the globe. OGC APIs are tomorrow's source of location information, spanning across a variety of domains, industries, and technologies. They allow organizations to publish and access high-quality information in almost any format. OGC APIs are made by developers, for developers. Join OGC APIs today, the building blocks for location.